Lab name we can give BGP messages and active passive BGP. Later we will edit this name. Now I will say R1 configuration, enable config T host name R1, and we have interface E0 by 0. I will write here IP address. We have 192.168.12.1, give space 255.255.255.0, and we will write no shut and then interface loopback 0 IP address. We have 1.1.1 255.0.0, and we will write router BGP1, and then we need to make the neighbor, so we can write neighbor IP is 192.168.12.2 remote AS is 2, and if you want to advertise network, you can advertise, put the network ID and the mask 255.0.0. This is the thing. We can copy paste if sometime we do the syntax error or spelling mistake. Let's paste and check if it is giving any issue, we can correct. So here everything is good. So we configure the R1 side. Now we need to do same thing to the R2 side. So let me do the R2 side here. Enable config T host name R2 and interface E0 by 0. IP address you can write here 192.168.12.2, give space 255.255.255.0, and you write no shut and you write here interface loopback 0. IP address you have 2.2.2.2, give space 255.0.0, and here we have router BGP2 we are having, and then neighbor 192.168.12.1, remote AS is 1, and network you want to advertise network 2.0.0 and with the mask, as already we know this one. So this is 255.0.0.0, and this is the BGP configuration for R2. We can copy and paste here. We can go to this router and we will check, and we can wait here and we can check we have the neighborship or not. I will write show IP BGP. So we have one network, still they did not form. I will write show IP BGP summary. So is here if you see states also what it is showing. Here if you see they are advertising 0 prefix, it is saying the neighbor, this neighbor 0. So we need to wait and check here, still 0 they are giving. We are advertising with 1, and here show IP BGP we receive only that one. Here if you see, let's see here we do any misconfiguration anything, BGP come up here, but we did not advertise, or we advertise. Let's see, we can write here show IP BGP, show IP BGP. Okay, we still did not receive. It will take, BGP is a slow protocol, it will take some time. Here if you see they are saying 0 prefix we are advertising, and show IP BGP. Yeah, now it is there. And if you write show IP BGP summary, you can see they are saying this neighbor 12.1 is advertising one network, so one prefix is coming here. And when you check the BGP forwarding table, you can see this root star and greater than symbol means best and valid. And if you want to go here, next hop is this one, and if you want to go this same router is advertising that one. So this is present already we have. And also if you check in the routing table also, you will have the root B is nothing but BGP, it is coming from the R1. Same thing you have here also. If you write in this one, you are learning one prefix from this neighbor 12.2, and you have here in the BGP forwarding table, you have this network R1 itself is advertising that one, and this one advertising by this neighbor. And this is star and greater than symbol means best and valid. If you see this one, and this I means these commands, they advertise this network with the network command. Okay, this one already we know, already we done. Now we need to check the messages. So here we have the messages like we told whenever they start, what they will do means they will look the three-way handshake they will do yesterday as we discussed. So this is the different thing you have here because we are using this virtual environment. So let's go here and we will say first they will do the three-way handshake. So where is that one? Let's see here. CDP you have, yeah, ARP you have. Yeah, here you can see. This is the R1. 12.1 is sending to 12.2 TCP. Sync packet he send. So R2 is replying to R1 sync ACK, and then R1 is saying acknowledge. So three-way handshake done here. After three-way handshake done, they will exchange the open message. So see here who is exchanging this. 12.1 is sending to 12.2 means R1 is sending to R2 open message. In open message, what information you will have means BGP parameter will be present. What is BGP parameter means? Like version. We are using IPv4 or IPv6, and what is our AS, what is our hold on time, and what is our router ID. That information who is sending, R1 is sending to R2. If you see this one. And again, if you see this, R2 is also sending to R1 open message. This is also open message. In this one, same thing, we are using this 4 and my AS is this is hold on time, and this is my router ID. R2 is saying to R1. And after that, if you remember, like them when they send, and they will start the keep alive messages every 60 seconds. So they are sending, this is 12.2 is sending to 12.1, and 12.1 will send to 12.2. Keep alive means like hello messages. If you open here, just they are saying hello to each other, that they are still alive. And after that, if you see, like they have the network also, we advertise network. So they will exchange that information. 12.2 is sending to 12.1 means R2 is sending to R1. They are sharing the information. What information means we can open here. If you see, I click here this one, and sorry, I click two places. Let me click here. Yeah. And here I can open, and they are updating here. If you see this one, they update. This information is present. Who is sending this? R2 is sending this one. 192.168.12.2 is sending to 12.1. They are saying updated means they learn this route. They have this route. They are advertising this. These are present here. Who is sending R2 to R1? Say similar way, R1 is also going to send, but that will be R1 is having 1.0.0 network. So he's saying he's also updating that one. So they are sharing that routes, whatever route. If you make any interface down, then again they will share that one, that is withdraw route. So every 60 seconds you have keep alive messages, or you feel difficult to observe here, lot of thing is coming, you can filter. You can write BGP and click this and go here and click this. So it will filter. You can see only BGP messages only, not the other messages. So now example, you will say, okay, they updated the information and they keep